Hey guys, Dominique here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're in Seattle and we're going to be watching some stuff that's going on the job today, which it's been a long time coming. We are going to be hoisting the portables out of the hole where the retaining wall was blocking everything before. And they're gonna hoist them up and they're gonna put them on a truck. They're then gonna drive them around to the other side of the job, back them in, and basically roll them off of the trailer and reset them up in the courtyard on the other side of the job, or on the other side of the school. I'm pretty excited about this because, I mean, I've spent a lot of time around cranes over the years. You know, it's normal construction stuff, but I've never seen a crane hoist portables. You know, I've seen portables move, but I've never seen them move with a crane. So I'm excited about this, and we're gonna go check it out. Okay guys, so that was really fun for me. I met a bunch of really cool people that this is all they do. So apparently the company that does this, all they do is crane and move modular buildings. And apparently they build these apartment buildings that are basically like the apartment is already built in a modular unit, and somebody comes in and builds the foundation, and then they just put these modular apartment buildings on this foundation. And they were telling me stories about that, and they were talking about how they're so busy in the summertime because they do a lot of schools and just like we do. And it was really cool. I've never talked to anybody that, you know, just moves modular buildings. So I'm sure there's tons of people that do it. I just never talked to anybody about it, and it was really cool. And if you guys ever meet me in person, I love to meet people and hear about their jobs. And speaking of that, actually, I'm looking for somebody that wants to take me on a ride along in a log truck. If there's a log truck driver that watches this show here, send me a message, because I've never been in a log truck. And my good friend Mikey, who lives in Winthrop, he works for a company that has log trucks and dump trucks, and I really wanted to go with him to go out and, you know, to see what it was like out to drive dump truck up in the mountains and do, you know, a lot of different basically logging and building logging roads and stuff, because it's something I've never done. But his company isn't cool with riders, which is pretty normal, so it's fine. But if anybody knows anybody in the area, I would love to go spend a day in a log truck and find out about it, just so you know. But I just love all kinds of different construction things, and it was just really exciting, and I learned so much today. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that, but I will see you guys next time. And also, side note, if you haven't yet, swing by my website and check it out. The shirts are in stock, so they ship within 24 hours of order now, so there's no pre-order anymore. So they're ready to go, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.